Most people fail to install Duik Angela not because it is hard, because they are downloading from wrong web place. So if you follow random tutorial, you will either get error. So don't worry, I will show you the official method step by step. First, go to the official website of Duik Angela. Make sure you are not downloading from any random website. Then once you download this, click here, download, check these boxes and submit. And now click here to download these versions. So you have two options. You can download either of them. After this, you will get a zip file like this. So once you download this, you are already half done. Now right click and extract the folder. Inside you will find the main script file. So this is the way. Extract. Then go to script, open these folders. In the script, click here, script UI panel, and you will find all the plugins here. Click script UI panel and these are the files. The important file is Duik Angela. Please copy, like control C or cut whatever is suitable to you. Do this, or you should copy Duik Angela. That is the most important file in this folder. Then go to your After Effect folder, like program files you will find in local drive C, support file. Then go script UI panel, and control V, paste these files. So now it is done. In my next video, I will show you how to animate a character using Duik Angela.